Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review, and I want to flag something in the listing text before I proceed further. In this video, I am looking at Black Thunder Expert Advisor. It's an MT5 EA built by developer Mohammed Samsuddin, priced at 449 US dollars. It's on version 8.0, last updated in late July 2026. So scrolling into the description, this is built specifically for gold scalping on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, dynamically reading market conditions to place and manage orders independently. Going into the recommended setup, the listing suggests M1 as the primary time frame, though it also notes any time frame is technically accepted. All right, along with selecting an aggressive mode in the input parameters, a minimum balance of $100 for a 0.01 lot size, and every tick modeling for testing. Okay, so I do want to flag directly later in the testing under strategy and market logic. The text describes this as operating on the 15-minute chart, which contradicts the M1 recommendation. You can see that it contradicts the M1 recommendation given earlier on the same page. Okay, so that's a genuine inconsistency in the listing, worth clarifying with the seller. All right. Um, before assuming which time frame the strategy is actually built around. So moving into the strategy description, the listing describes identifying rapid momentum shift anomalies using what it calls an HFT spike entry and exit engine. All right, and it's built around a custom candle sequence counter to map price structure rather than relying on simple indicators. Now, on risk management, the developer states directly that this does not use grid strategies or martingale lot multiplication, with every position carrying a defined stop loss and an adjustable trailing stop. Okay, going through the main features, this includes fully automated order placement and management, two position sizing modes, fixed lot or automatic balance based sizing with a maximum lot cap, an optional daily limit on new orders, an on chart information panel, and optional pop-up email or mobile push notifications. Now let us get into the back test that I ran myself, but before that, real quick, let's also look at the provided backtest result here on the page. We can see initial deposit $500, total net profit over $12.6 million, and we had over 79,600 trades taken, out of which only 42.72% were profitable. Okay, and then I can see that the average profit was 851.72, which was bigger than the average loss that was 357.79. All right, let's just head over to a strategy tester. Let's see if the results we're getting, will be sort of similar to what we had on the MQL5 Marketplace page. All right, so I ran this back test myself, and I'm going to flag again that this report is configured to show profit in pips rather than dollars. So I'll focus on the percentage based figures. This test started with an initial deposit of $10,000. All right, and we can see that the total net profit was over 22,800. Let us break down the results, and I want to apply extra scrutiny here given how strong they are. This test ran on XAUUSD on the M1 time frame from the start of January through late July 2026. All right, with history quality at 99%. Now, across 1,432 total trades, the win rate came in at just under 59%. Maximum drawdown was very well contained at just under 1 at just 1.72% for the equity basis, and 1.7% on a balance basis. Okay, the profit factor came in at 2.57, and both the recovery factor and the Sharpe ratio came out extremely high. The figures are strong enough that I would want to see this validated independently across multiple brokers and time periods before drawing firm conclusions, especially given the time frame inconsistency that I flagged earlier in the listing itself. All right, so I'm going to recommend clarifying the M1 versus M15 discrepancy directly with the developer, and testing this across additional brokers, given how strong and clean this particular result came out. Okay, you wouldn't want a situation whereby you were confused on the time frame to use the expert advisor on. Perhaps you like the results you see and maybe you want to proceed to make the necessary financial commitment, and then you get confused on what time frame to use. Even though I would recommend that you can even backtest across both time frames to know which one will give you a better result, but still it is important to clarify that discrepancy directly with the developer. Okay, so who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have observed and analyzed so far, okay, the backtest numbers are very strong, but between the time frame inconsistency in the listing and how exceptional these figures are, I would want considerable independent verification before trusting this fully. As always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, so it's important to clarify the discrepancies and test extensively before considering any live use. All right, looking at the balance curve here, the balance and equity curve, it's also pretty smooth. The balance and equity are very tightly close to each other. Okay, so that shows that there were no massive drawdowns, and the growth was, generally steady over time. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.